Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just got done shopping at Aldi. I hope you guys enjoyed the footage. They had so much cool stuff. Aldi is like an adventure. Every time you get in there, you never know what you're gonna find. But the UK gets really excited when it gets summertime, like when it warms up and everyone wants to be outside. They bring out all these limited edition like marinades and different items and stuff just for summer, and then by the time it gets to like August, September, they take it all away. So Aldi does it out here in the UK. Not sure if they do it stateside, but all the grocery stores do it out here. It's kind of awesome. So today I just restocked up on a bunch of my favorite keto items. Now these ones are specifically from Aldi, like I showed you. So yeah, I didn't get a lot. I didn't try out a lot of the new summer stuff because my freezer is like filled to capacity and I need to clean out my freezer before I can start experimenting with all that fun stuff. But once I do, I will definitely share it with you guys and let you know what I think. So here are some of my keto essentials from Aldi. Okay, you guys know I had to pick up some cheddar gourmet burgers. These are so good. They have chives in them and pieces of cheese. So these have 11 grams of fat and 2.3 carbs per burger. They look just like this. And then I just got the regular 4 Aberdeen Angus beef quarter pounders. Yum. And these have 1.9 grams of carbs and 9 grams of fat. So these are definitely your fattier, delicious ones to choose from. I also picked up some sweet potatoes because as I am doing keto, I am trying to maintain my milk supply for Isaiah. So I have never done anything with sweet potatoes before. Let me know your guys' favorite way to prepare them because I've never tried anything with them. Next, I picked up my favorite garlic olive oil. So good drizzled over veggies, especially when you roast them in the oven. Then I picked up this real dairy cream, and this is just basically like the Ready Whip in a can. I don't know what they call it in the States, but definitely be careful of anything that says like 25% less fat, you guys. You want the full fat stuff. This is 26% fat, and it's so much lower on the carbs. Like this has 1.2 carbs. Who's gonna measure this? But this is a lot lower carbs than anything that would say reduced fat. Next, I picked up some double cream. This is the stuff I use for my coffee. It's just heavy whipping cream, very basic. It gives your coffee like a little bit of sweetness, but it really just makes it creamy. That's like the best way I could describe it. Just creamy, heavy whipping cream for my coffee. Now, these kind of salad packages are my favorite. I love salads that have a lot of texture. Like I am not like an iceberg lettuce kind of girl. I love the textured leaves in these kind of salads. So Italian style salad. Y'all know I had a restock on my bacon. This is smoked back bacon. I got 2 of them. Like I said, I probably already have 3 in the fridge, but I love smoked bacon. If you guys are watching this from America, I don't know what the UK and Japan are doing, but their meats are just so much better. Every time my mom comes out here, she always just complains about the quality in America and how better the quality is here at like half the price of what they charge you guys in America. But for some reason, the bacon in Japan and the UK look like this. Y'all know the secret behind the industry and why bacon in Japan looks like this and bacon in UK looks like this and America's is pretty bad? Let me know. Let us all know in the comments. I would definitely be interested to find out. Next, these guys look awesome. Monterey Jack jalapeno burger melts. This is kind of just like the lazy way to add some flavor to your burger. You can see it right there in the picture. It looks fantastic. These guys have 1 carb per slice. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. I picked up the lemon and herb for CJ. I cannot picture lemon and herb tasting good on a burger, but CJ loves everything lemon and herb. It's Monterey Jack lemon and herb. I don't know. It might be good, so I got it for him. This one is 0.5 grams of carbs per slice. I'm guessing the jalapeno has some carbs in it. And then the blue cheese. Y'all know I am here for my blue cheese. And this one has 0.5 grams of carbs as well. Very easy to use. You don't got to get dirty and knife or anything like that. Less dishes equals more time. I got this from Mariah, but I just thought I would show you this cute package of mixed melon. Mariah is a melon addict, so I'm sure she'll really enjoy that. These are for me and CJ, especially tonight when we watch Game of Thrones. Blueberries, raspberries, berries have the least amount of carbs, and so I just love them for a summer snack. So these guys with a little bit of this, and I am a very, very happy girl. I just tried blueberries recently, like last week, and for my entire life, I always avoided blueberry flavor, like it wasn't my favorite. But blueberries are pretty delicious. Yeah, that was a fail on my part. Next, I picked up some red Leicester. Don't know, let me know below. Don't really care if I'm saying it wrong, it's just cheese. But this cheese, you guys, this is so good. I think this red kind is better than the cheddar. Another difference between UK and America, the cheddar in the UK is white. And then the orange cheese is called the red Leicester. Isn't that weird? I think it's weird. Next, I tried showing you guys in the footage, but they had eggs that were like $1.19, but it specifically said from caged hens on it. These are $1.89, 15 British free-range eggs. And you guys, it's so cool. Our hens are free to roam in the fields of our UK farms, and that's important to me. So I'm gonna pay the 60 pence more and get some free-range eggs. Yeah, just caged hens probably don't make eggs that taste that good. Next are some courgettes, or you might know them as zucchini. I haven't had zucchini all year, and I'm really excited to dice it up and saute it with some olive oil and some sea salt and pepper and maybe some garlic powder, get them nice and crispy like chips in the oven. So I'm excited, I'm really excited for those. Have to have avocados on keto. Like if you don't like avocados and you are on keto, I feel so sorry for you, because this is a big source of my fat and a big source of my happiness. I just love them. So I tried to pick out some really hard ones and then some softer ones. So these should last CJ and I for the rest of the week. Okay, you guys, so that was my quick little keto grocery haul. I will have a week 1 back on keto weigh-in with you guys coming soon. My scale is not working currently, so I went upstairs, I replaced the batteries are kind of rusted, and then I just messaged CJ today to pick up a new scale because I am going to be held accountable. So that will be my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little keto grocery haul from Aldi. Aldi's so affordable, and they have such a good selection for like your basic necessities. If you're looking for like everything sesame seasoning or anything of the sort that's kind of like in a niche, Aldi is probably not going to get you covered. But for your basic items and your like really good barbecues and your meats and stuff, Aldi, can't sleep on Aldi. But okay, you guys, I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Okay, bye.